Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Andy from kaizentcg. I run a six-figure Pokemon business online. Vend, collect, grade, flip, and invest Pokemon. And today's episode, I wanted to talk about the new set that's coming after Ascended Heroes, right? We got Perfect Order. And today, they did a Pokemon Center drop. So I hope whoever tried to get it, got it. Unfortunately for me, I got on it late and it sold out, so I couldn't get the PCETBs and the booster boxes. So whoever got it, congrats to you guys. But I just wanted to talk about this set and is it investable and stuff like that. Of course, you know, entry point is everything. So if you can get in at under MSRP, potentially, but I think, you know, this set initially in the short term is looking lackluster. Just looking now, take everything with a grain of salt. You know, this is just my opinion. They haven't leaked any of the set arts or anything like that. But just look at the pack art and the Pokemon that they're featuring. I just feel like, you know, compared to what they've been releasing with, you know, ME1, you know, great set. The Charizard, great set. Ascended Heroes is super stacked, right? It's gonna be a really strong set. And then you come into this set, it's gonna be a little bit more calm. Oh, definitely more calm. And it might be a set that people are gonna just forget about, right? Because you got the Mega Zygarde, right? Not really a popular Pokemon. The ETB looks okay. It's a green and kind of silver color. And then you got Mega Clefairy or Clefable. That looks okay too. Nothing special there. I think that probably would be a SIR. And then you got the Meowth. Meowth people do like, but as a chase, I think that's quite weak. And then you got, you know, the Mega Starmie. Now the Mega Starmie, in my opinion, might be a sleeper, right? With the Mega Starmie with the legs and running around, it might be a meme card. If they can make a good art out of it, that might be the sleeper. But other than that, yeah, even the promo, the Tyrant, cool card, cute or whatever. I think people will still chase that, but overall, I think the set's gonna be pretty weak. So I would, you know, advise people that are trying to flip it and try to make a quick buck out of it, be very careful. Just because I have a feeling people that got, you know, multiple of the ETBs, they're gonna dump and they're gonna realize there's not much demand for it. And then the prices initially won't be that much over MSRP for the resale market initially, right? And we're gonna get back to a similar time where, you know, things where, you know, things are gonna get back to a little bit of normalcy. You know, we haven't had product at MSRP or under since Shrouded Fable. So ever since then, it's been, you know, it's been almost, what, over a year. Like Surging came out over, then you had Prismatic was like stupid hard to get. Journey was even high, and then look at Journey, right? So if we compare similar time frames from last year, you got Prismatic that came out the same time as you know, Ascended Heroes, and Journey coming right after that, you know, was quite lackluster. A lot of people didn't really care for it. Now, and, you know, it had some decent cards. The Articuno, the Whale Lord, Clefairy is cool. You know, had some okay cards, and, you know, that set isn't doing too great. And I think this set is worse than that. Like, I think it had 6 SIRs, 25 trainers, and a bunch of IRs, like 11 or something. So it's not super small set. It's not a big set. I think it's just going to be, honestly, a lower tier kind of set, kind of a filler set. And, you know, just like Journey, there's going to be a negative sentiment towards it, in my opinion. And people are just going to forget about it because, you know, we got Ninja Spinner and the Rayquaza set coming later this year. So just like how Journey came out and then we had Destin, so everyone was hyped for Destin, everyone's saving their money for Destin, so they kind of just opened a little bit of Journey and they forgot about it, and it was either Prismatic or Destin, right? So I think it's going to be a similar situation here where, you know, dare I say it, might be a hot take, but I think we might see the first box that's going to be mainline set that's actually going to be under MSRP. Not at release, but eventually. I think if they print a lot of the set as a mainline set, they should, right? Then I think it's going to be sitting in stores if they're going to be selling it for MSRP or higher. Because even Phantasmal Flames is sitting at our local LGS here that are selling it for 250 Canadian plus tax. It's still sitting in shops. Now that's a small set and, you know, desirable chase card, of course, but it's a lot smaller set. People, you know, you open it once or twice and you're pretty much good to go there. There's not much more to open with that set. I think this set, not really too much desirable Pokemon for people to chase, stuff like that. So my opinion, I think this set is just going to be the middle of the road set. So if you're looking to invest in it, I would wait a while. And if it's like a lot under MSRP, then maybe consider it. But, you know, everything has its opportunity cost. So, you know, I think all the attention is going to go towards Ascendant Heroes, at least for the first 4 months, because we won't even have booster bundles until April. And that just means that there's not going to be a lot of supply out there for the first 4 months, and then they'll bombard with reprints and all that stuff like they did with Prismatics, waves and waves of it, and people can get their fill. And people are still ripping Prismatic a lot today, right? Just because it's value wise and the cards in there is amazing. So even though the pull rates are garbage and the experience sucks pulling it, maybe Ascended Heroes will be better pull rate experience. But if it's similar to Prismatic, yeah, it's gonna be rough. And then this set's just gonna be a filler set. Personally, what I'm gonna do, probably not gonna grab any of it. I might, if I'm vending and someone offers me the PCTB for trade and I get it at a good price close to MSRP, I'll grab one for the collection. But investing wise, not really investing into the set. I would wait until the Ray and Greninja set comes out, see how that looks like. And then for Ascended Heroes, I would just wait as well. Let the first few waves come out and prices come down a little bit. Look at Prismatic, like you wait 1 year later, the ETBs, collection boxes, SPCs, they all have come down quite a bit from like 20 to 50%. So then, you know, after that DCA in, it's Pokemon. And investing general is just all about your entry point, right? That's very important. So having a great entry point is the key for returns, and just not FOMOing into any of these new sets. I think we're going back to a little bit of a normalcy of the cycle where, you know, you're going to be able to wait on sets. You don't have to pre-order too much ahead of time. Like obviously if you really want it day one, you got to pre-order, but I don't think you have to. I think even when this set comes out, you can go to the store and pick it up. Now it'll be high, and then as the next set comes out, if these are sitting, they might have to put it on sale. And yeah, that's my kind of thoughts on this set. You know, not too strong of a set in my opinion, and you know, just, you know, opportunity cost of capital investing into, you know, mid-tier sets, right? We could get ourselves another Shrouded Fable situation, or, you know, like a Battle Styles or something like that. Even though Battle Styles has gone up, right? Like, it's not as liquid as you think, and it's taken a long time. Like, if you would have taken that same amount of capital and put it towards another set, probably would have done a lot better. So sentiment's important as well, but we'll see. I'm optimistic. At least maybe they'll do come out with really cool art. Could prove me wrong, but this is my early outlook and thoughts on the set. And you know, What do you guys think? Are you guys going to be investing into Perfect Order, or are you guys just going to skip this one and wait for the next set, or just wait for Ascended Heroes? Drop in the comment below, and I appreciate everybody checking out the video, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Take it easy. A-Town out. Peace.